Lush Loom has just completed its latest apartment renovation project at Thayyal 4, The Greens, Dubai. And this transformation proves how the right combination of flooring, feature walls, lighting, and curtains can completely change the feel of a home. The client wanted a space that felt warmer, more elegant, more private, and completely finished before her family arrived. So our team planned a complete interior refresh covering the living room, bedroom, and kitchen, with the entire project completed in just 3 days. We started with the flooring. The existing surface was replaced with 42 square meters of light oak LVT flooring, installed continuously across the living room, bedroom, and kitchen. The light oak finish brings a natural warmth to the apartment, while the continuous flooring helps the connected spaces feel larger, cleaner, more cohesive. Next, we transformed the living room with a beautiful custom feature wall. We installed a 3.2 meter wide floor-to-ceiling fluted wall panel in a rich, deep walnut finish. But we didn't stop there. We added concealed LED lighting along the panel edges, creating a warm, ambient glow that beautifully highlights the texture of the fluted design after sunset. The result is a statement wall that gives the living room an entirely new character. Then came the window transformation. The large terrace doors were dressed with double-layer curtains, combining a soft beige fabric with a deep navy leading edge. The navy detail was carefully selected to complement the existing accent wall and bring the entire color scheme together. The track was extended beyond the glass, so the curtains can stack neatly away from the doors when fully open. For the bedroom, comfort and light control were the priority. We installed warm gray blackout curtains with a wall-to-wall track, minimizing light gaps around the window. This creates a darker, more comfortable bedroom, while adding a soft and sophisticated finishing touch to the space. Everything was carefully coordinated. Every measurement, material, and installation detail was handled with precision by the Lush Loom team. And here is the final result. A once plain apartment has been transformed into a warm, modern, and beautifully coordinated living space. The walnut feature wall adds character. The oak LVT creates continuity, and the tailored curtains bring softness, privacy, and elegance. Another complete transformation by Lush Loom in Dubai. Planning to renovate your apartment or villa? Share your space with Lush Loom, and let's turn your vision into a beautifully finished home.